At the heart of the 2026 product lineup is the M5 chip. Following the cadence of the M4 launch, the M5 is expected to be built on an enhanced 2 nanometers or a highly refined 3 nanometers process by TSMC. Early leaks suggest that the M5 Max could see a performance jump of up to 50% in multi-core tasks compared to its predecessors. This is driven by a focus on unified memory architecture expansion, allowing for larger large language models to run locally on the device. To keep up with Apple Intelligence demands, the neural engine in the M5 series is expected to undergo its most significant redesign yet, moving toward dedicated silicon specifically for generative video and image processing. The most discussed leak for 2026 is the MacBook SE, also referred to in some circles as the MacBook Mini. For years, Apple has used the MacBook Air M1 as its entry-level machine. By 2026, that design will be nearly 6 years old. Targeting students in emerging markets, rumors suggest Apple may use an A18 Pro or A19 chip rather than a full M-series chip to keep the price between $599 and $699. The design is expected to be a 12-inch or 13-inch form factor with a focus on portability and extreme battery life, potentially sacrificing ports to maintain a razor-thin profile. The MacBook Air will likely transition to the M5 chip in early 2026. While the chassis is expected to remain the same flat-edge design introduced with the M2, the internal thermal management is rumored to be improved. To differentiate models, the base 13-inch MacBook Air may feature a bin M5 chip with fewer GPU cores, while the 15-inch model receives a full Power M5. The professional line will receive the power user variants of the M5. While many hope for OLED in 2026, supply chain analysts suggest Apple may stick with Mini LED for one more cycle to perfect the tandem OLED technology for the 14 and 16-inch panels, aiming for a 2027 transition. Rumors also suggest a move to Thunderbolt 5 across all Pro models, allowing for significantly higher data transfer speeds for 8K video editing. The standard iPad is the last to fully embrace Apple Intelligence. The 2026 refresh is expected to include the A18 chip and 8 GB of RAM, a necessary jump to handle the memory-intensive nature of modern iPadOS features. By 2026, the iPad Air is expected to adopt the M4 chip. The most significant rumor here is a potential for OLED displays trickling down from the Pro models, though this may result in a price hike to $699. The next Apple TV is rumored to focus on gaming and AI. By using the A17 Pro chip, it will be able to run AAA games that were previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and M-Series Max. It will act as the primary processor for the Apple Home AI, coordinating smart devices throughout the house. Another exciting new product is a dedicated smart home display. Similar to a fixed iPad or a Nest Hub, this device would feature magnetic mounting for walls or refrigerators and run a hybrid of tvOS and iPadOS designed for quick-touch widgets and security feeds. After years of silence, the AirTag 2 is expected in early 2026. It will likely feature the U2 ultra-wideband chip for improved range and precision finding across much larger distances. New anti-stalking measures are also expected, including a speaker that is harder to disable or remove. While the iPhone 18 is typically a fall release, early 2026 leaks suggest Apple is working on a high-end, ultra-thin slim, or Air model that prioritizes design. 2026 may also be the year the dynamic island shrinks significantly as Apple successfully hides infrared sensors beneath the display pixels. The 2026 roadmap indicates a shift from faster processors to smarter ecosystems. Apple is clearly moving toward a future where every device is an AI-capable node. The introduction of a MacBook SE suggests Apple is finally ready to challenge the Chromebook and low-end Windows market, leveraging its superior silicon efficiency to dominate the entry-level space. Key expectations include a new smart home display category, a $599 MacBook SE, the M5 Max MacBook Pro, and an 8 GB RAM minimum across all devices to standardize AI capabilities.